This section provides a short introduction to engine type designation, technical data, the engine's working principles and controls. The location of the engine room, control room and bridge is indicated on this vessel. The next pages will provide general information about each of these areas. The ship has 4 auxiliary engines and 4 main engines. Each pair of main engines is connected to a reduction gear. From the control room, you can operate almost all equipment in the engine room. The bridge is the main control center for ship operation. This is the bridge master control. You can click on the thumbnails for more information. This is the control panel at the bridge wing.